You're so cute. I was just changing the battery on this, and he was just smiling so big. Hi. It's cold outside.
It's from touching all of it, actually.
It's from touching what?
What?
What were you touching?
I was just looking for the milk sticks. It's not like actually meat. It's just the paper.
Gross. I'm about to show you guys the pictures that we made. Well, I guess I made. Listen, I made a big mistake. Do not use spray adhesive. Just get some more Mod Podge because I love how these pictures look. I think that they're great. I think this is such a good idea. Great way to add art to any room that you've been wanting to add art to, and inexpensive because you can print it any size. You can use frames that you have. Don't use spray adhesive because there's bubbles, okay? So I already know that, but it still looks so good and I'm so happy. Jump scare. You guys, it took me so long to hang these pictures straight. Do they look straight to you?
Those are in my mouth.
Oh yeah, that's my hair. Don't worry, it's
disgusting.
just mine. You can see like there's some waving happening. It's fine. I don't know if there's something that I can do about that. I think it's fine. I might try to peel it. I don't know if it will peel off. It is very unfortunate because this is so beautiful. I'll link the artwork that I found on Etsy. I just found it on Etsy. I did have to cut it a little, but how beautiful is that? I swear that I've been sleeping better on this bedding.
So she's been saying.
I have been saying that. I was like, is it in my head? I don't know, but I have just slept so good the past few nights since having it. And I don't know. Either way, even if it is just in my head, I am sleeping better, but it is just so soft and comfy. I got this pink color of bedding. It's Cherry Blossom. And I thought it would be so pretty behind the green. And then I need to get like some throw pillows. But I just thought it looked pretty, like it tied everything in. I might actually put this bedding on just to see what it looks like. But the material, it's like bamboo. It's good for your skin and hair too because it doesn't have like friction. And so I like sleeping on material like this. And I don't sleep on these like stiff pillows. I just don't like them. I have to have like the slouchy ones. Anyway, very excited about my bedroom. I've been wanting to do something in my bedroom for such a long time. So
It's good.
it looks so good. Now I'll probably keep it clean. I've been telling the kids, keep your crap out of my room. I don't know how it just became like a catch-all. Everyone comes in here and changes their clothes, leaves them. Everyone comes in here and hangs out, takes their shoes off, leaves them. Gage will probably leave this pink face mask in my room.
Didn't I broke my leg while I was wearing this?
Really? It's bad luck. Throw it away.
Look at the eye holes. They're different sizes.
It's like the creepiest. So, anyway, I'm really excited. I do have a discount for the bedding. It's Kaylee 10, capital Kaylee 10, if you have been looking for bedding like this. I love the color. It's so pretty. Come here. The blue, I have blue too. It's such a good blue. But this green is everything. Okay. Okay. Guys. What? Okay, guys, I don't know if I'm going to end the vlog here. But if I am, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us while we made our beautiful paintings.
Bye-bye.
And we'll see you next time. Bye. Hi, guys. We're getting a late start to Thanksgiving shopping. We're going in the evening, the day before Thanksgiving. Not what you want to do. I don't know how I put this off, but I did a good job. I don't have to get very much, thank goodness. But you got to get in the back, girl. But that's where Layla and I are off to. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. We got everything we needed. We did have to go to the grocery store twice. Layla was so embarrassed. It's like, it's fine. It happens. I'm making soup tonight and I forgot bouillon cubes. And you can't forget the bouillon cubes. Also, we got a...
The bouillon what?
Bouillon cubes.
It's a weird word.
We got a...
Chocolate orange.
Layla had to climb the shelves. I had to pick her up. It was on the top shelf at the very back. Last one. Is this the last one of the season?
No.
How was our store out? Anyway, so I had to pick her up and she was like climbing. She got it. Okay, should we open it?
Did I bang it?
Yeah, bring it right here, I think. I don't know if that's hard enough. Let's see.
No, it's hard enough.
Are you scared? Okay, right here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I love chocolate oranges.
So does Finn.
So do you.
Yeah.
Here you go. Open her up. We deserve a piece because shopping the day before Thanksgiving is a little bit of a nightmare. It actually wasn't too bad. When I pulled in here, I was like, oh my gosh, there's so many people, but
Yeah, we did.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, we did hit it hard.
We did. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers.
To a happy day.
Let us know if you like these. The girl that was checking us out said she likes the dark chocolate. I don't normally like dark chocolate, but I was like, maybe I should try that.
You should
Milk
also
chocolate's
try
gonna
that
be
like orange stick thing.
Yeah, I like this brand. I don't really like the other brands. This brand is by far the best. All right, girl, let's go home. Get these groceries put away and make some soup. I'm making cheddar vegetable chowder. I have made it on my channel years ago. I'll link the video down below, but I'll show you how we make it. It's so good. It's so bad for you. It's just a lot of fat, a lot of butter, a lot of cheese.
I'm making my famous mac and cheese.
You are?
Yeah.